Here I am again at another one. We pulled out a brick walk, ripped up the asphalt here, so I'm kind of repairing that right now. Ouch. Yeah, these are the sidewalk we did. You can see how nice it turned out. Into a patio. None of this was here. All this was just around here, and that way was all just brick, thin brick, kind of like that over there by the tree. Dug down, put an electrical line underneath the walk here, drainage for the gutter system, pop up, and then this nice patio looks actually really good. Our guys did a really good job on these joints, crisping them up, make sure they're nice and fine. Look at that. It's beautiful. Looks better than the driveway just did. I don't know why, but it looks pretty nice. It's pretty big. I think it's a 20 by 22. Maybe 20 by 20, I don't remember what we measured it at. It looks good though. Nice final slow pan. That's it.